Well guys, we made it in some back bay here, and a very shallow river, so we're just gonna see if there's anything down here. See how far we can get up this river. So nice. Alright guys, we're slowly making it down this river. As you can see, it's a bit swampy stuff, so we just gotta go slow. I'm basically taking the lead and looking out for anything in front of us here. So I'm just standing up, got my glasses on, kind of keeping my eye out for anything. Like there's logs in here and stuff. And we're down to 3 feet right now. So, hey look at the size of that log. Crazy. Whoa. Track. Alright guys, we're gonna keep going. Oh, there's a whole nother river. Look at that, guys. Look what we found. Explorers. Oh, wow. Look at that. Let's see if I can get in here. Okay, hold the phone for a second. Check this out. Well, all right. I'm not going to step on. Oh, there's a bird. He's probably not happy that I'm here. Wow, a lot of birds. It's a bloody campsite. Bro. Wow. Did not expect to see this when we came out. Very cool. Very cool. I'll have to figure out what's that way and see if we can come back up it. Because it looks like with all the, see all the scratches, I don't know if you can see them, but all the scratches in the rock, like here, because it's like a portage kind of thing, like canoes are coming out. Even this is probably a better example, but you can see scratch marks in the rock. So people be portaging, and then I guess if you can't go any further, there's your campsite for the night. So very cool. Alright guys, well, we're just going to take a quick break here, recuperate, and then head back out on the water and see what else we can find up here. Well guys, you know that when you find a place as cool as this, what do you got to do without falling into the water? Yo, we got to put the drone up. So this next little bit is just showing you what we found from the air. So hope you enjoy it. Sorry I've been not looking at the camera. I'm trying to watch where I go. Alright. Get back up here. I mean, why not? Alright guys, well that was adventurous. We're back on the water. Oh, it's also stupidly hot today. Man, 32, holy crap. Oh. Okay boys and girls, let's see what we can do. I mean, you would not want to hit that speed. That would suck. We just saved the hat.
You just saved me overheating.
Well, that too. Alright guys, well we've made it to as far as we can get on 6 Mile Lake. That right through there is the Trent 7 waterway, and as you can see it's a good 40 feet drop, so that's what's keeping the water in here. So this is where we were. If this was open, like you could get through here. Oh, whoa, that's not gonna do it. I'm gonna stop on the fence. Good thing this wasn't electric, eh? Jeez, that sucked. So that's the dam, and like everyone's down there looking at it, and we're up here. All right guys, well we'll check in a bit, but it's bloody hot, so this shade is really nice right now. So I'll talk to you in a bit. Well guys, we got off the Sea-Doos, coming over the bridge to the other side to see what other people see. There you go. Why, but we're making this decision to go down. I mean, when else are we going to be here? Right? Oh, I smell suntan lotion. Good Lord. The waterfalls. I'm surprised how many people are actually here.
They are all 6 feet apart.
Yeah, right? Like, I mean. So, would you go in this?
I would.
Knowing you with rapids?
Oh, down here I would. I'm safe.
Well, I meant, okay, yeah, sure.
That's just gonna blow me out, not gonna smash.
All right, guys. Well, I accidentally forgot to shoot the outro when we were up at the lake. So we're back here at home. We made it home safely and just unpacking the Sea-Doo. So guys, I just hope you had a great time out on the water with me. It was great to be out there. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I love reaching out to you guys and getting back to you. The summer's coming. It's bloody hot today. So hopefully we'll be getting out there. Hope to run into more of you guys out on the water, go for some tours. So like I said, shoot me a line, let me know where you're riding, and we'll see what we can do. And until the next adventure, guys, just be safe out on the water. Peace. I'm telling you guys, I can't catch a fish. I'm so skunked. So we're gonna head out of the river that was cool to explore, and just make out and just make our way back out towards 6 Mile Lake and see what else we can find. So let's head that way. Oh, he's taking off already. If only he'd wave. He heard it too. That's the funny part, is he heard me say that. All right, guys, we're going that way. Let's see if he crashes. Look at it. And otherwise, guys, we're gonna rip it back to the wow. Notch, there we go. Otherwise, why every time? Like, honestly. Oh my god.
It's the best part of your video.
My blooper reels become more famous than my videos.